Attention to move forward. Good morning, my name is Mackenzie. Please join us to make Garfield School Week. Say it with pride, because we are proud to be white. Garfield white. Ready to begin. Good morning. My name is Layla. Can you please join us in the moment silence? We can pray, simply reflect, and clear your mind. Ready, begin. Good morning. My name is Kenneth. Thank you for joining us in the morning assembly. We hope you have a great day. Now we will turn the assembly over to Miss.
All right. Thank you, first graders. In just a minute, they're going to do a dance for us. But we need to get our football players back to the high school, back to their classes learning. So let's talk to them first. We've missed you guys. Is it senior night? All right, and Darwin is a senior. Everybody give him a hand. His last home game, maybe, right? Maybe on the Ponca City football field. The other two boys are not seniors. Okay. Darwin's going to tell us about tonight. Do you remember what position he plays? Was it offense or defense? Defense. Is that right? It was offense. Well, we'll remember next time. All right. Let's let him tell us about tonight's game.
Tonight we're playing against the Choctaw Yellow Jackets. It's going to be a tough game out there, so I want everybody to show up and show support. If you do show up, please remember to wear a jacket so you stay warm, because it's probably going to be cold.
What time is it?
It's like 6:45 right before it.
Okay. We'll get you right to the cabin. Darwin wants right before us, and then we can just follow up. He always says hi to you guys when you're there, right? Raise your hand if you've got to run to the cabin this year. Lots and lots of you. It's been so much fun. So, we'll see you about tonight. And what position are you starting?
Eli Jr. tight end. Logan, sophomore, and another wide receiver.
All of you are. Nobody's an insider today.
All right. Boys, we have to ask you because we're having a little bedlam battle today. Which team are you rooting for on Saturday? Hey, Cowboys?
Oh, no.
Eli's for both, right? For both. All right.
Oh, you.
Woo! start it off. Miss Herzog introduce the song and tell what they're doing.
So we all know that Halloween was on Tuesday, so we kind of kept the spooky theme, and Miss Austin told me about a dance called the Spooky Skeleton Dance from Danny Go, and she loved it, and my kids loved it, so we just ran with it, and that is what we are going to be performing today.
You can do the werewolf waltz, claws up, swings side to side. You can do the bat ballet, flap your wings on your tippy toes. Or you can do the mama macarena, stiff as a board. But there's a new phenomenon you ought to know, and this is how it goes. Do the skeleton trick, everyone doing the skeleton trick. Do the skeleton trick, everyone doing the skeleton trick. Doing this for moving all the girls. Do the skeleton trick, everyone doing the skeleton trick. You can do the Frankenstein foxtrot, arms out, rocking front to back. Arms out, rocking front to back. Arms out. You can do the spider-web swing, left to right like you're tied to the string. Left to right like you're tied to the string. Left to right like you're tied to the string. You can do the jack-o'-lantern drive. Make a silly face and come alive. Make a silly face and come alive. Make a silly face and come alive. But there's a new phenomenon you ought to know, and this is how it goes. Do the skeleton trick, everyone doing the skeleton trick. Do the skeleton trick, everyone doing the skeleton trick. Doing this for moving all the bones. Do the skeleton trick, everyone doing the skeleton trick.
Today. So if you need a brain break, what's that song called? Okay, Spooky Skeleton Dance by Danny Go. All right, so that's a fun one. It was on YouTube. Thank you, Miss Austin, for suggesting that. All right, that's the only time you're going to hear me say thank you, Miss Austin, today. Because what team is Miss Austin cheering for? If you are cheering for the Oklahoma State Cowboys, stand up. Even if you didn't wear your orange, it doesn't matter. Stand up. Okay, Miss Austin is going to come up here and lead you in the whatever you say because.
I just wanted to notice looking around, you see all these teachers with red shirts on, they're still standing. So guess who they really want to go in?
I will sit down.
All right, you guys ready? I'm going to say orange and you guys are going to say power. You ready? 1, 2, 3. Orange! 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 Up!
All right, sit down. Now will the real time stand up? I'm all playing because my son goes so asleep. But are we ready? Look at this side. How you doing? None of you like that either. I think the teachers have swayed these little guys. All right, are we ready? I'm going to say boomer, you're going to say Cedar. 3 times. Ready? Boomer. Boomer. All right, have a seat. We are honestly, I'll wait. It does make us excited to have a little competition. But do you think that Miss Austin and I are going to be mad at each other if her team wins or my team wins? No way. We are friends. Sports are fun, but we don't have to fight about it or get caught up in it, right? It's just fun to have a little competition. So, if OU wins, Miss Austin will get a surprise. Not if. Sorry. Mr. Gates says there's no if. When OU wins, Miss Austin will get a surprise. So you will see that on Monday morning.
And if the Cowboys win, Miss Austin? If the Cowboys win.
And if the Cowboys win, then you get a surprise.
All right. She doesn't know what the surprise is. All right. It's always fun to have a little competition, but we definitely don't ever take it too far, right? We just have a good time. We cheer for our teams. Anytime an Oklahoma team wins, we all win. So either team that wins, it's good for all of us. All right. This is supposedly going to be the last Bedlam for a while, so we'll see if that holds out, but hopefully not. All right. Today's lunch. Cheese, pizza, corn, baby carrots, ranch dressing, and pears. Thank you guys who got to come last night. We had a really good time. I appreciate everyone's families for showing up. There is a couple prize winners in the office. I forgot to bring them down. So I will call you down to the office if you want a prize to pick up your prize. Raise your hand if you won a prize last night and you got to pick it up. There was a lot of prizes and a lot of prize winners, so that was a really good time for everyone. Thank you guys so much for showing up. All right. Everyone is here today but Miss Hope. Miss Hope is sick, so she will not be here today. Okay. Everyone else is here, so that's awesome too to have everyone here today. Also, one more thing. But I can't think of what it was. But I'll think of it and I'll come over there and come and announce it. I will see you at lunch and recess. Kindergarten, show us how it's done. Kindergarten does a great job every day of leading us out of the gym quietly in a straight line, ready to go. Awesome job. Thank you, Ms. Herzog, for hosting us. Third grade. Thank you, families, for coming.